Top 10 BFDI characters who commit tax fraud. An incredibly informative presentation by me, Thrawn Clips. Number 10, Evil Leafy. Evil Leafy is evil. Evil people commit tax fraud. Number 9, 14. 14 is like Shia LaBeouf. Actual cannibal Shia LaBeouf. And cannibalism is a gateway crime. First it's cannibalism, then it's tax fraud. Number 8, Blocky. Blocky loves pranks. And what better prank than this? Hey guys, for a prank, commit tax fraud. This program was brought to you by Blocky's Funny Doings International. Number 7, with an income tax return document. With a name like that, if you're not committing tax fraud, you're wasting your life. You have the authority, and you choose not to. For that reason, I know income tax return document is lying and committing tax fraud. Number 6, Ruler. Ruler is a wannabe villain. Every wannabe villain goes down the same route. First, they trick other people into being their henchmen in an object show, and then when that doesn't work out, tax fraud. Number 5, 4, you all saw the TL Gent video. 4 is different now. Why is he different? Well, for all the reasons TL Gent said, yes, and because he's committing tax fraud as well. That's the part the media doesn't want you to know. Number 4, loser. Loser celebrity. Every celebrity is committing tax fraud. It's part of the job. It's mandatory. Loser's committing tax fraud. Next, number 3, Pillow, unlike Ruler, is a successful villain, and she's doing everything. Tax fraud, trickery, cannibalism, the works. She is a tax fraud machine. Number 2, Announcer is loaded. He had all that money to run the show, Battle for Dream Island, at first. Why were there so many budget cuts? I'll tell you why. He was being sanctioned for tax fraud. It's obvious. And he's also a reality TV show host, so he has to be committing tax fraud. They all do. Honorable mentions. Fries. He's a cannibal. And as we've established, cannibalism is a gateway crime to tax fraud. David, look me in the eyes and tell me that he's trustworthy. Profiley. Compulsive liar. Tax fraud. Alright, it's time for number 1. The number 1 person committing tax fraud. The number 1 tax fraud committer in all of BFDI is Yellowface. First of all, he's a businessman. They commit tax fraud. He's also a celebrity. They commit tax fraud. And he's also a cannibal. And as we all know, say it with me now, cannibalism is a gateway crime to tax fraud. Ladies and gentlemen, and others, we have found the king of tax fraud, and it is Yellowface. He is the most taxi fraudiest person in the world. Yellowface, tax fraud. Profiley, tax fraud. David, tax fraud. Fries, tax fraud. Announcer, Pillow, Loser, they're all doing tax fraud. 4, Ruler, income tax return document, tax frauders. As well as Blocky, and frickin' this guy, and that one. 14 and Evil Leafy, they're all committing tax fraud, but no one is committing as much tax fraud as Yellowface. Thank you for watching. Thanks for coming to my tax talk.